Hey guys, I've got this JIGUUN inverter here. I'm hooking it up to the truck car battery while the battery's still installed in the truck. I'm going ahead and hooking up the cables to the inverter. These cables come with the inverter. And now all you do is just hook the red up to the red positive and the black to the negative. I'm just hooking it to the battery here underneath the hood. Now I've got power right from my car battery. This is nice. There it is, fully hooked up. Turn it on, and there we go. We got a green light. Now I'm charging up this battery here. It's working like a champ. I hooked up the welder, but it was too hot outside. I didn't want to weld and start a fire. Definitely got power to the welder, and the wires coming out of the wire feeder. And here I'm just hooking up a whole nother power strip. You can see that it's working well. Time for some power tools. There's the Ryobi saw. Now for the grinder. Go ahead and hook up this handheld angle grinder and see how good it does. With solar panels. So here I'm just going to go ahead and hook it up to the battery first. So it comes with the cables and some battery and some caps, some battery cable caps. Just tightening these down, putting the caps on. Now I've got it hooked up to the battery. You can also hook it up to your solar panels as well. And we'll go ahead and turn it on here. And that green light indicates we've got power. Comes with a remote, so you can shut it off remotely. Here I'm charging up a cordless drill battery from it. Working like a champ. Again, you can use it with the solar panels and hook right to this, or you can use it to the battery and hook up to this. Here I'm just charging a cordless drill battery from it, and then also a cell phone. See, it's charging the cell phone, no problem. And let's see if it'll charge a laptop. Yep, absolutely. Let's go ahead and make a cup of coffee off of this. This thing has also a nice readout. It talks about how much DC you have coming in, the frequency, and the AC out. So you can see it's 113 volts. This gives how many watts as well. How much is left on the battery, and here's the load. Very happy with this thing.